As a knife guy, I hear about the Mora knives all the time and how many people use them and how many people love them. In this video, I want to take a look at the Mora Companion. Stick around. I've got to give a shout out to a YouTube channel titled The Outdoors with Rich. And I was watching a YouTube short that he had done about the Mora Garberg. It's their big full tang knife. It's about $100 and really nice. He answered the question, would he buy it again? And he said, no, he would not. He would rather take the same amount of money and buy about 4 of these Mora Companions. And that's what led me to check out this knife. So he's got a really great channel, outdoor content. Go check him out. The thing that got me curious about Mora knives to begin with is just because I'm seeing so much content around these blades and how much people like them. Now this Mora Companion is a #1 bestseller on Amazon. It's 12C27 stainless steel, which is a very good budget stainless steel, and it's just a little over 4 inches. And the thickness is 2.5 millimeters. Comes in this packaging here. Most people know this, but these knives are made in Sweden, and I like this sheath. It's very light and simplistic. This feels very light on your side and very easy to carry around. You know, these blades are a bushcraft fave with a lot of people. The one thing I've heard people saying about the Companion is that they don't like it that much for batoning. But one thing about these Scandi grind blades is that they are razor sharp and they're easy to keep sharp. That shave. So sharp. God, it's digging in so much I can't even hardly carve down. These things are so crazy sharp. Look at that, the way it's just digging in. I know some people won't use this Mora for something as heavy as batoning, but let's just knock around a little bit with it. The bottom line is you can do some heavy stuff with it. It's the one thing about these, they're just so sharp. Just like butter. It's not a throwing knife, but you know me. Man, and does this not make a killer dinner knife out in the woods? You know, cutting through your steak, pork, tenderloin, whatever you took with you, a fish that you may have caught. Just perfect for that. This blade could just be described in one word: practicality. A good practical everyday knife, good practical everyday carry for those who are outdoors a lot, just working with a wide variety of things. And it's very, very easy to carry. For example, I love the way this sheath connects to these beltless hiking shorts. Even after all that use, look how it cleans up. Just not many scratches at all, if any. I've already done a tip test on this without really doing a tip test. I reached down in my pocket to get my wallet and my arm pulled this out of the sheath and it fell straight down and hit the concrete. It damaged the tip just a little bit. But again, you don't take knives like this and bang them against concrete. That's not what a knife is for. If a knife goes tip down into a hard surface like that, you're probably going to do a little damage to the tip, but it didn't do anything of any real significance. But you know, again, these knives are meant to be used, not beat to death on things that you're not supposed to beat a knife against. I will say though, I think these little Mora knives are just absolutely gorgeous. I think they're a gorgeous, handy little everyday working knife, and it's just got a wonderful slicing edge. These Scandi grind blades are very sharp. I don't have many of these knives. I've got one that one of my subscribers sent me from Finland. The Puukko knife, I think is what it was called. It looks a lot like this, but these are very popular, and I can understand why. There's a lot of different Moras out there to choose from. Now, this Mora Companion here is not a full tang knife, but it can do just about anything you need it to do, and price-wise, it's easily replaced. Mora is one of those types of knives that's got a lot of people asking themselves questions like, why did I spend so much money on this other knife? These knives have a lifetime warranty, and if you use them on the right stuff, they'll last forever. And obviously an ultra ergonomic handle here for an excellent grip. I do watch Joe X's channel from time to time, and it's very entertaining how he'll beat the living daylights out of a blade and kind of show you what it can really take. And I was actually impressed with how this little Mora Companion held up under Joe's testing. It's nice to be able to have knives in my collection that I don't have to associate with combat. I do a lot of knife reviews, and I talk a lot about knife combat, and it feels good every now and then just to do a review where you're talking about the knife and its usefulness, not necessarily its self-defense attributes. And that's what this review is. This Mora knife right here is a knife that I can enjoy using every day for day-to-day tasks. And it's not something that I have to look at as a weapon. It's something I can really look at as a useful tool. I think these knives make a great gift. You can get this one for about 18 to 20 bucks, and it just makes a great gift. People will get a lot of use out of it, and I love how you can get a good blade at a really good price. And if you wear it down and you need another one, they're very inexpensive and easy to get another. Sometimes it's just the simple things. That was a nice night to have a little campfire outdoors. The kids want to roast some marshmallows tonight. We're gonna make our own sticks here. People go out and buy those sticks for marshmallow roasting. Oh man, make your own, so much cheaper.